what a beautiful scene. Oh, the bamboo forest, it whisper my name. Ancient wisdom rising, setting my soul aflame. Every rustle, every sway, it ain't no game. A prayer to the Most High, calling out His fame. Man, I search for peace in a concrete jungle so wild, but true comfort is found a Rasta child. In nature's embrace, never defile. Every breath of prayer, every worry reconcile. Oh, the bamboo forest, it whisper my name. Ancient wisdom rising, setting my soul aflame. Every rustle, every sway, it ain't no game. A prayer to the Most High, calling out His fame. No need for big words, no fancy talk. Just a humble heart on this journey I walk. Feel the rhythm of life, hear the spirit now. From the root to the sky, may give thanks like a rock. Oh, the bamboo forest, it whisper my name. Ancient wisdom rising, setting my soul aflame. Every rustle, every sway, it ain't no game. A prayer to the Most High, calling out His fame. You listen close now, hear the rhythm calling. Ancient whispers through the morning. Drum beat strong up your vibration, guiding us with no deviation. Oh, the elder drum it a speak to me soul. It make my heart feel holy, make my spirit bold. Hear the thump, 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 a timeless sound. Blessings from the ground all around. Life it a spiral, sometimes a maze, but the drum like the path through the hazy days. Jah love always present, never far, shining bright like a distant star. Oh, the elder drum it a speak to me soul. It make my heart feel holy, make my spirit bold. Hear the thump, 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 a timeless sound. Blessings from the ground all around. Down, a steady beat it keeps secrets of the universe while the Babylon sleep. Rise up, stand tall, feel the power flow. Watch the seeds of wisdom grow. Oh, the elder drum it a speak to me soul. It make me heart feel holy, make me spirit bold. Hear the thump, 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 a timeless sound. Blessings from the ground all around. Freedom trainer, call me soul. Hear the whistle, make the journey whole. Iron tracks, them carry me pain. Through the mountain, through the rain. Choo choo, say the spirit fly. Choo choo, under Jaja's sky. Freedom train, it a blow so loud. Lift me heart, make me spirit proud. Choo choo, make the chains them fall. Freedom train, say it, call we all. Me hear the echo upon the hills afar, guiding me step like a shining star. Every track a story, every steam a fight. Through the darkness, till we find the light. Choo choo, the fire keep burning. Choo choo, the tide they keep turning. Freedom train, it a blow so loud. Lift me heart, make me spirit proud. Choo choo, make the chains them fall. Freedom train, say it, call we all. A whisper from Jah, it not stop. Them say the storm a come, but me stand strong. The Lion of Zion, him guide me all along. Me not fear no shadow, me not fear no chain. Jah wisdom pour like reflections in the rain. Raindrops fall, them a holy sign. Jah just speak through the rhythm divine. Me soul a dance in the stormy plain. Reflections of Jah in the blessed rain. Them Babylon tongue a twist and turn, but fire of truth still a blaze and burn. Me eye them open, me sight them clear. The voice of Jah me a always hear. Me not bow to greed, me not bow to pain. Jah guide and shine like reflections in the rain. Raindrops fall, them a holy sign. Just speak through the rhythm divine. My soul a dance in the stormy plain. Reflections of Jah in the blessed rain. a day, them a sweat in a field. Chains on them foot, but them spirit fly free. Listen to the rhythm of the ancestry. Rebels of the cane field, yeah. Out of fire, soul and steel. No surrender, no retreat. Sweetest victory. Rebels of the cane field, yeah. Out of fire, soul and steel. No surrender, no retreat. Sweetest victory we meet. Massa whip crack like a thunder sound, but the people them feet still firm on the ground. Whispers in the night, our plans them are brew. Freedom a call, we have to see it through. Rebels of the cane field, yeah. Out of fire, soul and steel. No surrender, no retreat. Sweetest victory we meet. Rebels of the cane field, yeah. Out of fire, soul and steel. No surrender, no retreat. Sweetest victory we meet. Them say we small, them say we weak, but the river run deep when the mountains speak. One by one we rise a mighty tide. No way feed them road, no way feed them high. Rebels of the cane field, yeah. Out of fire, soul and steel. No surrender, no retreat. Sweetest victory we meet. Rebels of the cane field, yeah. Out of fire, soul and steel. No surrender, no retreat. Sweetest victory we meet. Strength where we all need to know. Oh, them all the river store. Roots of the river stone, them never fade. Them hold the wisdom where Jah unlaid. Stand firm on the earth, no time for sway. Roots of the river stone, guide my way. Them whisper truth in the cool night breeze. Talk about freedom, talk about peace. Them say life a journey, take it easy. Them say faith stronger than stormy seas. Oh, them say stand tall, you're not alone. Hey, listen the call of the river stone. Them the river stone, them never fade. Them all the wisdom where Jah unlaid. Stand firm on the earth, no time for sway. Roots of the river stone, guide my way. Hey. Water flow, it cleanse my soul. Stone say you take back control. Them say plant the seed, make the future war. Them say love we all, that the highest goal. to hold us down with all them lies. But the truth it always shines through them disguise. Our ancestors fought, we hear them cry. Got to break them chains, open up our eyes. Oh, sufferers, true redemption from Babylon's oppression. We rise up with new intention, seeking our true salvation. Yeah. Jah guidance is the light that shows the way. Every step we take stronger every day. No fear, no doubt, just pure righteous play. We building a future that now go sway. Oh, sufferers, true redemption from Babylon's oppression. We rise up with new intention, seeking our true salvation. Yeah.
Another day done, greater time just to fly. See the shadows, them stretch long and thin pon the ground. Hear the ancient ones whisper a spiritual sound. Them say Zion's last light soon come in a view. Gonna show us the path, gonna see us right through. Them say Babylon a fall. Hear the children them call. Zion's last light, burning bright, burning true. Gonna cleanse all the bad, gonna start something new. Zion's last light, a beacon of fire, lifting us higher and higher and higher. Zion's last light, oh what a sight, guiding us home with its powerful light. Oh. Too much tribulation, too much pain, too much strife. People are suffer, them barely holding to life. But the ancestors say hold firm, keep the faith strong. Soon the wicked go run when them hear Zion's song. The prophecy ancient, the word is so clear. No room for the fear, only love we hold dear. Zion's last light, burning bright, burning true. Gonna cleanse all the bad, gonna start something new. Zion's last light, a beacon of fire, lifting us higher and higher and higher. Zion's last light, oh what a sight, guiding us home with its powerful light. Oh, oh, oh. end of all days. We've been searching and hoping through life's winding maze. Now the truth is revealing, the veil gonna drop.